Inhale, bring your arms overhead, slight back bend. Exhale, fold forward, bringing your hands to the mat or your shins. Inhale, look up halfway with a flat back, hands to shins. Exhale, fold, step back to a plank. Drop your knees to the mat. Drop your chest to the mat. Bring your chest through, look up for a cobra. Exhale, chin to the mat. Tuck your toes under, push up to downward dog. Look to your hands, step your feet to your hands. Inhale, look up halfway with a flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms overhead, slight back bend. Exhale, hands to heart.